everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you a huge Nykaa haul. So this video is going to be super duper long. So please grab your favorite snack or a cup of coffee, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So the first product I want to share with you guys is this is the contour brush from Wet n Wild, and for a very long time I was waiting to buy this product, but this is a high-end product. This cost around 1000 rupees or something. So I was like, 1000 rupees में एक makeup brush. I was like, oh okay, let me wait for an offer or something. So in this season of sale I got it in 50% off, and oh my god guys, I just grabbed it and this is the best deal I think. And this brush is like wow. I have used it and I have just washed it because I wanted to show you, and this is really very nice guys. So this comes in a normal plastic packaging. This packaging is really nice, and this is the brush. This has a really nice rose gold kind of a, it's not actually rose gold, it has a little bit of pink tint in it. I mean the body color of the brush. This is really very nice color, and the top half is very dense. It is really very nice to contour and also to blend the contour on your face. The bristles are really very soft and dense. I really like this brush guys. This is very nice if you want to do your contour very precisely. So someone prefer to do contour precisely, or just if they want a dewy finish. So if you want a little bit more precise contour, then this brush is for you. And I have got this in a really very nice discount, so I really love this purchase. So the next product I want to show you guys, this is a hot wax, and this is from the body care. This is lemon honey hot wax, and the product looks like this. This is not very big as you can see, though I thought that it would be more bigger than this, but no matter guys, this is really very affordable. And I have forgotten the prices because I can't remember all of these prices, so I will be attaching the prices on the screen so you can check it out from there. So you have to open the lid, and then you get another transparent lid which you have to remove, and here is the product. And this doesn't have any fragrance, which is really very great because I don't like any extra fragrance in my products, I mean makeup products. So I haven't used it. Let's see how it works. I will share the review of this product individually in some of my further videos, so stay tuned. So the next product I want to share with you guys, this is a sharpener. This is for sharpening your cosmetics, I mean your eyeliner brush or contour brush. So this is from Lakme, and ये भी काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल है. I guess 65 to 70 का पड़ा था कुछ मुझे, और ये ऐसा दिखता है. So this has two holes as you can see. This is a bigger one and this is a smaller one. So this bigger brush is for sharpening your thick pencils. Like I have a contour pencil from K Beauty. So उस टाइप का अगर कुछ शार्पन करना हो तो वो बिगर होल से आप कर सकते हो. और normally you can sharpen your eyeliner pencil or kajal pencils in the smaller one. So I have not used it till, so I can't just tell how it works. So I have just received some of the packages today, so I can't really have the time to use it, and I am so excited that I have to make this video now. So the next product I want to show you guys, these two are nail polish remover. These are from Inside Cosmetics. So I have already used one of these nail polish remover from Inside Cosmetics, and that was of strawberry flavor, and this one is apple flavor. This one is green apple and the other one is lemon. So this has, let me show you, this has some cotton wipes these are very thin wipes. This has 30 wipes each, and these cost 30 rupees each. So one wipe cost 1 rupees. And guys, let me tell you, one wipe is enough for removing your nail paints from your 10 nails. I mean, if you wear nail polish in your both hands, so and you have to take one wipe and you are good to go. So this works really very nice because they have a oil based formula, and this doesn't dry out your nails as the other nail polish remover do. So I really like this product, and a big thumbs up for this. So the next product I want to share with you, this is from Swiss Beauty, and this is a concealer. And I was expecting to get the shade number 2, but that was out of stock most of the time, so I picked the shade number 6. And it was not really my shade, but it was close to that. So I like this concealer very much. The packaging looks like this. It is normal cardboard packaging, and when you open this, here is the concealer. So this has a really nice applicator, a normal sponge tip wand, as you can see, and here is the shade. So this is the shade of my foundation. This is almost close to the shade of my foundation, but when you are picking a concealer shade, you have to take at least 2 shades lighter than your foundation shade. So unfortunately, I was really hoping that I could get the shade number 2, but I can't, so I picked it up. But the product is really very nice. Next, I have purchased some eyeshadows. Let me show you one by one. So the first one is from Wet n Wild, and this is a eyeshadow of 4 shades, as you can see. So guys, this palette is available in 6 to 7 variants, I guess, and I have picked this one. This one is pink and purple combination, as you can see. So here is written that which shade you have to apply where on your eyes. So that is really very nice to guide you if you are a beginner. So the top color is for your transition area, and this one is for your crease area, and the white one is for brow bone, or you can also use this at your inner corners, and the darker shade is also for crease. So this eyeshadow is really very pigmented, guys. Let me show you these 2 colors. I can't swatch all the colors right now because I have a lot more eyeshadow palettes and other products, so this video is going to be more longer if I do so. So I have just swatched 2 shades, and just look at these, guys. These are so freaking pigmented, and they are so buttery soft. They are not chalky at all. I really like this shade. So the next eyeshadow palette I have picked also from Wet n Wild, and here is 2 type of eyeshadow palettes, and these palettes are also available in 6 to 7 variants, and I have picked the first one. It is called Rose in the Year, and this is the most popular eyeshadow palette of this category. So this contains 10 colors each. So these are also really very nicely pigmented, as you can see. These 2 are for your transition, and the rest of the colors are for your crease area or eyelid. So these are highly pigmented. Let me show you 1 or 2 swatches. So you will get 2 shimmer colors in it, and all the other colors are matte. So this one and this one is shimmer color, these 2, and the other colors are matte. So let me swatch 1 shimmer and 1 matte color for you. So these are again really very buttery soft and highly pigmented. So this is the matte one, and this is the shimmer one. Can you see, guys? I really like these palettes. So the next palette also contains 10 colors in it, and here is 4 shimmer colors you will get, and the other is matte colors. So as you can see, and this palette is called Stop Playing Safe. So here is the palette, and the 4 colors here and the one here, these one and these 4 colors, these 5 colors are shimmer colors and all the other colors are matte. So I am just swatching one shimmer colors and one matte color for you. Just see the yellow shimmer color, guys. Both the shimmer and matte colors are highly pigmented in this palette, and I really like this palette. So I think these two palettes are a very nice buy from this haul. So the next palette is also from Wet n Wild, and this time it is a glitter palette and it contains 6 colors in it, as you can see. So this also comes with a different color combination that contains golden and red color shades in it, and I chose this one because I like the color combination here. So this contains 6 colors and also a small brush. This is a sponge tip applicator brush, and the colors looks really very nice. Though I haven't used it, so I don't know how it will show on your eyes. So these are the swatches. I am not liking this palette so much, but let's see how it appears on your eyes, because swatches is not a good point of view to judge a eyeshadow palette. I mean, some palette happens that it swatches on your hand really well, but when you apply it on your eyes, that doesn't shows that much. And sometimes it happens the complete opposite thing, because when you are swatching the palette or any colors, that doesn't shows that much, but when you using it with a brush on your eyes, that appears really very nice. So swatches are not the actual way to judge a product. So I also ordered a single eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. This is also glitter color. So these eyeshadows contains glue in it, so you don't have to apply any extra glue on your eyelid to use it. So that's a very good point. And these single eyeshadows also come with different colors, so you can choose which one you want. I have picked this pink shade because I liked so much. And let me show you the swatch. So this single one feels a little bit better than the 6 color palette which I showed you earlier. So this one I think is better than this one. So the next eyeshadow palette is from Swiss Beauty, and this is the last eyeshadow palette, and this is called Swiss Beauty Baked Eyeshadow Palette, and this is in the shade Sapphire. So this is the packaging. As you can see, this is a normal cardboard packaging, and when you are opening this, okay, I can't open this easily. Okay, now it comes. So this is the product, and guys, just look at the beauty of this. This looks so much nice, guys. Just look at the beauty. This has a marble effect in the all the shades. I really like the look of it, and when you swatch it, it comes in normal color. It will not give a marble effect on your eyes, but this looks like a marble effect. But when you swatch it, I have just swatched the first 2 shades. So the shades will altogether apply in one color when you swatch it. But this is really very pigmented, and all the colors are shimmer colors. The last 2 colors, as you can see here, these are really pigmented, guys. Let me swatch another shade for you. So this is the copper shades. I really like this copper shade. Oh my god, just look at this, guys. This is so nice. So that are all my eyeshadow palette. So let me show you the next product. So this is from PAC Cosmetics. So this contains 2 beauty blender in it, and this is slightly expensive. I guess 745 or something I have bought it, and the MRP I will attach on the screen. So these are really expensive. I was really confused whether I should buy this or not, because normally I use beauty blenders of a very affordable range. I mean 60 rupees to 150 rupees each, but this one is really very costly for me. So this time I thought that I should give this expensive beauty blenders a try, because I want to check whether this does make any difference from the affordable ones. So I will surely share a review of this in my further videos. So you have to open this plastic packaging, and then you get this cute pouch. This is a mesh pouch, and this is really very nice, and I like this packaging really very much, because you can just wash your beauty blenders and put it in this pouch, and it will be easy to make it dry, and this will not accumulate any dirt. Sometimes when you just wash your beauty blenders and keep it in the sunlight to dry, it accumulates some dirt. So with this it will not happen. So that's a really good point of this. So you will get 2 beauty blenders in it, and these are black color. You can also purchase a red color, and the first beauty blender has a slant cut at the bottom. So this is really very easy to blend your foundation on your face. And the other beauty blender is a water drop kind of a shape, as you can see, and this will increase in size when you make it wet. Now these are dry, so this is the actual size of the beauty blenders. So next I have purchased 2 beauty blenders. These are mini beauty blenders, and this is also from PAC Cosmetics, and these are so tiny, guys. Can you see? These are so tiny. So I have purchased it to blend my concealers, because this is not very good to blend your foundation, for my opinion. So this comes in normal plastic zip wrap packaging, and both the beauty blenders have a water drop kind of shape, as you can see, and this is so tiny, guys. Can you see how much tiny this is? You can compare with my finger, and this is so tiny. Though it will increase a bit when you make it wet, and when you are using any beauty blender, you must have to make it wet before using. So the next product I have with me is a face scrub. This is from Biotique. This is Biotique Bio Papaya face scrub, and this looks like this. I have purchased the smaller version. This also comes with 3 other sizes. So this is the first time I am using this product, so I prefer to purchase the smaller version, because I don't like to buy bigger version of any product when I am using this for the first time. So guys, if you want any of this product, please go and check it out. The link in the description box below. So I will share all the links there. So the next product I have with me, this is from Nivea, and this is a Nivea face wash. For a very long time I was looking forward to try this one, so now I have got this. So the packaging is really very nice. This is a water drop kind of a shape, and it has a small cap on the top. Sorry, I have dropped it. I'm really very sorry. So this has a small top, as you can see. The next product I have with me is also from Nivea, and this is Nivea Deo Milk. This is a roll-on deodorant. I really like roll-on deodorant, guys, and normally I use the whitening roll-on deodorant, but this time I have purchased the normal Deo Milk one. So the next product I want to share with you is a lipstick. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is a nice orange color, as you can see. And this has a transparent top, which I really very like. I really love the lipsticks which have transparent top because it really helps you to find out your shade. You don't have to open every lipstick and check out the color, so that's a really very good point of this lipstick. And this lipstick is really very nice. This is a matte lipstick, and this is a very nice beautiful color. I really like this color. The next lipstick I have with me, this is from Inside Cosmetics, and this is a non-transfer lipstick, and I have used it once, and this is really non-transfer, guys, and this is so affordable, guys. You can't imagine the price. I think this is under 80 rupees or something. This is super duper affordable, and the shade range they have is also very nice. Most of the shades they have is nude or brownish color. They don't have any vibrant color. I really hope that they have, because I wanted to try the vibrant colors, because this lipstick is really very nice. The formula is also so nice, and this is actually non-transfer. And just look at the shade. I really like this lipstick, guys, and this feels very light on your lips. You don't feel that you have put on lipstick, that it doesn't give you feeling like that. So I really like this lipstick. The next product I have with me is a concealer, and this is from Inside Cosmetics. The packaging is normal cardboard packaging, and the product is a tube kind of packaging, and the applicator of this is really very nice. It has some bristles on the end, so you have to squeeze it a little bit to get the product, and you can just apply this with this bristle. You don't need an extra brush. You just can apply this with this bristle. I really like this applicator so much, and the product itself is really very affordable and nice. The next product I have with me, it is a cleansing milk, and this is again from Nivea. I really like the products of Nivea. So this is a cleansing milk. You can just use it as a cleanser, and if you can also use it as your makeup remover. Though it doesn't work that much great with removing your makeup, but you can just use your micellar water at the first, and then you can just use it as your makeup remover, because then it removes all the remaining makeups from your face. So that's why I really like this product. And the next product I have with me, this is a nail polish remover, and this is from Blue Heaven, and this is I think 60 rupees ki aaspaas hoga, and this is a very good quantity you will get in this bottle. Can you see the quantity? This is almost the size of my palm, and this works also nice. I have removed my nail paint once with this, and I really like this product. So the next one is also from Nivea. This time I have bought so much product from Nivea. This is a body wash, and this is written Nivea shower gel, frangipani and oil. So this comes in many other flavors. I choose this one. So the next product I want to share with you, this is also from Nivea again, and this is a micellar water. Normally I use Garnier micellar water. I like that so much, but this time I wanted to give this a try. So I have purchased this, and this is also a very big bottle, as you can see. I am not sure whether it is available in a smaller bottle. I hope so, but I have this bottle is 400 ml. So this is also very affordable according to the amount you are getting. And the next and the last product of this haul, this is from Maybelline, and this is Maybelline High Coverage Foundation. So I have never used a high coverage foundation before. I normally use sheer to medium coverage foundation. I normally use Pond's BB Plus और Maybelline का जो Fit Me foundation आता है वो ही मैं use करती हूँ daily life में. But this time I wanted to give this a try, so I have bought this. Let's see how it turns out. So that's all for today, guys. If you like this video and found it useful, don't forget to hit this a big fat thumbs up, and also share your comments with me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box below. Until next time, stay happy, stay tuned, and stay safe. Bye bye, guys.